Hanti.
Kasihan katanya nggak ada kita.
Stop.
Ya
Actually,
kan?
Hanti.
Coba.
Why
Orang
so
gila.
rolling
Udah jadi nggak usah berteman.
things?
Why so bad?
Accidentally.
Sekarang ganja
You spoiled it.
lagi naik ya.
You
Udah
have
ke
one
Papua,
block
ke
like
Aceh tuh.
me.
Oh, ini kampanye.
You're only seeing
Pada seneng tuh orang Aceh tuh, Ben sekarang pada seneng. Orang Aceh tuh nggak biasanya kan pada seneng.
Oh,
Orang Papua aja bilangnya saya harus dukung Ganja karena Jokowi beda sama si anaknya. Anaknya mah takutnya ntar saya makan hati, nggak gitu. Kalau Jokowi kan memang perhatian sama orang Papua. Ini nggak percaya nih anaknya nih anak muda, takutnya ntar sakit hati lagi. Ya udah pada dukung Ganja. Semua orang mau Bekasi, orang mau Kediri pada dukung Ganja.
you done nothing? I'm doing my own little hut.
Cianjur, NU pada dukung Ganja. Abah, sholat dulu maghrib ya. Yo, assalamualaikum.
Stop! Look what this guy done. This guy's so cool. He made this. What? What he made? This.
What?
What he made that one shot?
Anyways, I'm gonna delete mine. I'm gonna go to mine.
That one shot. I'm doing.
Hey, look at my look at what I think I made. I made this with some cake. Yeah.
You didn't do that.
What the hell?
You didn't do that.
Ah, you tricked me, silly boy.
Why not going? That's one. Put some cakes. Then we can just go.
Wait, let me say ready.
Ready? My heart, go inside. I'm sitting.
Guy, ready?
No, you're not.
Haki, Moen, you already eating or not? You already eat?
I want to eat ice cream.
No, I have ice cream. Sorry.
And then try.
Guy, ready? Monkey level 15?
I don't know.
Yo, look, it's a monkey. Monkey.
I hope this time we win. Yeah.
Monkey level 15.
I tried so hard. Yeah, Moin. I've done so big to
To
get
the
him.
other side.
Wait, do you see it? The cake that's right. Wait. I know I said it.
What if I jump?
Haki, what's your on the teacher another one? Tuesday and Friday. Mahdi, Ad-Duha. Were you already check Ad-Duha?
I don't know.
I
I don't know.
don't know. Al-Kawthar?
How?
Haki, Mahdi call you.
Huh?
Haki call you.
Mine had to leave because there was no internet for Moin. I'm just kidding.
Bum 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 bum. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun.
Okay, dear, is this so crazy?
Yeah, this is the best day ever. Now this is the third time I ever win.
Bro, the pro's sitting next to me.
First, imagine you die, and then me only win. Imagine the guy literally flew off, and I'm the only one who controls.
Cool guy.
Well, who's controlling it?
Cool guy.
No one's controlling it.
I typed it. I typed it. Cool.
Whoa, I need charger. My phone, 5%.
My phone is no battery.
My phone is 5%.
Mom, no battery.
I need charger.
Just down here.
I need to my phone is 5%.
Okay, you sit down here because not enough.
Mama.
Here, sit down.
Moin has 0%.
Waduh. Oh, Akbar. What happened? 0%.
0.
Why not say before?
Monkey.
Monkey level 15.
Bro, he opened the door.
You sit down here in the corner. Okay. In corner, here. No enough. Come here, no enough. Yeah lah. In the corner.
in corner.
Let me see.
Here? Here?
Oreo?
Here? I will charge it.
Bro, Hucky, look, we're taking no damage.
Hmm?
We're taking no damage yet.
My phone is so low right now. We can charge. We can charge. Yeah, where?
Why?
Here?
Yeah.
Oh, it's not working. It's working now, working now.
Aduh, gemes sama kamu nih.
Mom, 0%.
Yeah, jangan besar lagi keep on the inside. Or this one, charger.
Non-die.
It's broken. Huh? It's broken.
Oh my god. If I literally move, I'm dead.
Who's controlling it?
Me.
No.
No.
Mine is not controlling it.
Me. No.
No.
No. I'm the water. Oh my god.
Hucky, how's the cake? How's the cake not broken?
I don't know. No, them is spilling. Look.
I don't.
Wait, we lost one signal thing.
Bro, you're almost dying, yeah?
Yeah.
That's so cool.
I'm right next to the water.
Now next to sand.
It's gonna fill up. I hate this one. It got smaller and smaller and bigger.
Bro,
I hate
look
it.
look outside.
Time? There's no time.
Look outside. Look outside.
Everyone's nearly dying. Monkey! Monkey! Monkey!
No way, the frog just fell out.
Monkey died. Everyone died.
You died. Wait.
Need more material. Way! Where? Need more amount. Where? Matt. What the hell? Erica. Erika. Malang.
Dolan.
Dulan.
Dolan.
Big some bullshit. Yeah. Not a lot of much. I didn't do nothing. But we got $70 right now. You won.
Sudah cas. Oh, sebab ni ada kabel saya bawa ni. Oh, ini panas.
Right there. Okay, he done that. Let me do my awesome chair right now. That's my awesome chair.
Itu panas,
Betul.
masih panas. Nyalain aja. Nggak apa-apa itu bentar dulu.
Stop.
What is on?
On, because hot. Still hot.
Too hot now.
Still hot. Halo?
Okay, now we can do our chair. Done that. So, okay. So, done the first chair.
Kenapa?
Bikin ini aja,
Okay,
Bang.
okay, stop.
Jus alpukat ya. Jangan minum kopi.
Okay, I'll go
panas.
out.
Jangan sayang. Kena keramik.
Okay, we need to get inside. But
Gimana kalau
So-
dua perutnya besar? Jadi angkat nih orang.
put your own boat.
Nggak diangkat
Boat.
mungkin ya.
Connect to me. Okay, so I connect to me.
Halo, Iwa.
So let's go make our boat.
Habib.
Put it.
Abang.
Also got like so much. Oh no, I missed.
Ni di mana? Ha?
Dia mah kalau orang itu nunggu
I'm not. I'm probably not swimming, but I'm swimming.
apa? Bintang.
Ha?
Nunggu kelihatan bintang. Gelap dulu. Jangan lupa nih nanti di
Oh,
itu.
letak di situ. Tapi nanti.
Iya.
Oh, belum semuanya lagi? Hah?
Iya, sekarang mau sholat. Madi,
Ah.
where bulus? Bisa. Jibi. Ya, Jibi. Jibi Ali, Mahdi.
Belum sholat lagi.
No.
When?
Kenapa?
Itu. Anak, I already see you. Give me, you know one. Just like this. Where, Yala? Where you saw me? You saw me, man. I don't know. No, I don't know. Suruh masuk dulu katanya bikin teh. Nggak usah bikin teh. Bikin jus dulu. Saya mau sholat dulu ya, Bang.
Iya. Sholat dulu.
Ini
Oh,
lagi.
yang tadi tuh dia baru duduk ke lama dah.
Siapa?
Laki tu tadi.
Oh iya baru. Soalnya dia yang orang Malaysia masak di Raina, dia disuruh sama Farhan itu isi yang udah pulang kan, Malaysia yang udah
Oh,
pulang.
dia duduk sana.
Iya. Si Farhan mah jahat.
Lah tu yang dia ni orang mana?
Ini orang Fiji.
Oh.
Dia
Macam
kerja
mana
di.
macam ni dia tahu?
Oh, sepupunya dia bekerja sama Bang Jul. Kan ada orang Malaysia, kata si Bang Jul. Ibu, mau orang Malaysia apa orang Fiji? Kata saya, kalau bisa mah orang Malaysia, karena Islam kan. Gitu. Tuh taunya lagi ngomong, Bu, kalau yang orang Malaysia itu ganja, isap ganja, malas kerja. Ya udah tak payah.
Siapa dia?
Orang Malaysia.
Siapa?
Enggak tahu namanya, saya nanti tanya lagi ya. Udah 6 tahun. 6 tahun di sini.
6 tahun.
Ya, isap ganja, malas kerja. Katanya jangan, Madi. Malas kerja. Ya jangan, nanti nggak mau bayar. Bilang.
Aku lagi
Nanti yang malas kerja dia nanti judi, pinjam duit lagi. Nggak bayar, pinjam duit mulu. Oh, kan? Airnya bisa lagi.
Panas.
Higher.
Panas. Close door. Mana ditutup nih. Biar itu. Nanti biar nggak usah minum teh, Bang. Ada apa? Aduh.
Amin.
Mau minum air dulu, Bang?
Apa-apa. Semaya
Nearly
dulu.
done my little boat.
Air dulu kemana?
Yo, semaya dulu.
Oh iya, sebentar dulu. Minum air dulu, Bang.
Oh, okay done.
Apa dah?
So we're done the little boat. Let's see what windows. Why so many windows?
Adik.
Let's go relax with my little boat. Do I have any windows? Okay, I have no windows. I'm wearing a white t-shirt, shirt right now. I'm in the night right now. Oh.
You want drink?
13 minutes. Hurry right now. The boat nearly broke. Oh, stop it.
Laki, drink water. Laki, go. Go water. Mosquito.
Maybe I'll hurry up this.
Be careful, my
Right.
Okay?
Okay. Go! Spit it up. Oh my god. Wait, Maddie, look! Look what happened to our boat! It's literally standing like this, like our boat is a giraffe. Let me see. Where's your boat? This is my boat. It's a giraffe. Right.
Aduh.
Right.
What's that?
What? Someone literally went so quick. Guys. Maybe If it's got like a problem, let me show you.